What's up guys, this is Mine and we're doing the Kaiser tutorial. So each game costs £1 or 4 credits if you're in my location. So this is, firstly you should do a 1-player normal mode, and if you buy cards you just scan them in, but if you don't have a card, press the yellow button 3 times. Now this starting combo isn't very good, but I'll show you what it can do. So this is a tutorial. You can actually watch the tutorial by pressing the yellow, so let's go through that.
Oh yeah, Master Icarus, the card that I really want. It's going to try
That's how I conduct the slot machines. Firstly, set your attack slot.
Kill me.
Attack your attack slot.
Please
push a green button to select the slot machine. Next,
No,
the attack power bit.
Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Zangetsu is disappointing me.
Let's see what Kaiser.
Oh no. Oh no.
So, now we get 40. Now it's time to try this out with some food layers. So basically shows you what to do. So the starting combo isn't very good. And you want to also mash the button.
Maybe Ninja Train Sci-Fi.
And if you're lucky, you get a miracle attack, which sometimes one
Hey guys, Animal has
opposing animal.
Today, this game, instead of Zangetsu, last episode, we're doing Ninja Train Sci-Fi with strong mode, because Ninja Train Sci-Fi is a very strong boy.
I'm doing an annual Kaiser tutorial.
Followed up by Alien X Gold.
Next.
Kaiser Fighters.
Next. If you're a starter, you also have to shoot it after the attack. So sometimes you will lose and you need to focus by mashing the buttons. Sometimes it may not work and that happens, which isn't very good.
So, 20. I'm already getting disrespect from Ninja Train Sci-Fi as well, right? That's not fair.
Yeah,
You need to be doing your tutorial.
Sometimes you also get disrespect as a stronger animal. So there's a focus example, everybody.
Wow.
So this one will be uploaded first out of all of them.
According to my calculations, this guy is only
And not be counted towards the main series. Well, sometimes you've got to just try to do your best.
Let's turn into a weird.
Sometimes you may actually die in round 1 using the beginner animal. Sometimes you won't.
Let's get our triple focus and through this ugly guy. No triple focus. He will die. Nice enough.
Also, Celio Neo Jr. is normally a silver card or a bronze, I think, in the older versions of Kaiser.
Wow. Up against Blue
But this is just a regular card.
Blue Hercules is a gold card and I'm going to die because he got doubling. But I have Mikuri. Hopefully, Mikuri pops. I hope you get that Mikuri pop.
Now, sometimes you may be able to get revived. In the case of Celio,
Basically,
you won't.
damage that you're taken.
So don't focus if it's
And now I've got 2
just
Mikuris.
very low. It's a waste of energy.
Get it. And do both doubles. So, if I don't pop Mikuri on this move.
Now, afterwards,
Now,
you'll get your card. And if you're doing 2 players, whoever wins
and what cards do you get?
oh no, what card do I get? A lava float. Normally a fuzz card won't be very good, but sometimes you do get lucky. And sometimes, very rarely, you can get an ultra rare, which I also have just here in case. So this will be the first episode recorded, so it's not count towards the main series. Now I'll see you all next episodes I do.